Definitely, we've had, I'd say, thousands of online engagements, very clear sound or voice. The setup time for us to start a meeting is the touch of a button.
My name is Joram from the University of Nairobi, ICT Centre. We are a services department servicing the entire 10 faculties of the University of Nairobi. We support all other departments and faculties in the university in their teaching, their learning, and also the administration. We procured 2 high-end equipment from Alpha Trading. And we did 2 units that time, one in our main campus and one in our ICT Centre. First is the administration part of our work. Hybrid meetings, that is, where in a setup like this one, we have some people attending the meeting on site and we have others joining remotely, teaching and learning, where we have hybrid classes, especially for our master's students. Definitely, we've had, I'd say, thousands of online engagements. We've had workshops, we've had research weeks, we've had conferences, we've had interviews for faculty. Experience where you have video, very clear sound or voice, and the fact that you have the hybrid, you have people here on site and people remotely. The setup time for us to start a meeting or to engage the online students or colleagues and so forth is the touch of a button. We can project whatever it is you are discussing or teaching, sharing content wirelessly. I think that has been very useful. And also the interactivity of it, especially for the online audience, where you can see the content being discussed, you can see the participants. Definitely, I'll recommend Alpha Trading. You're technically sound. You are appointed partner by Zoom. Partners or clients can trust you. When we engage you, we know that you can deliver the solution. You can offer the support.
Hello, Jerusha.
Able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
It's been of great help and great importance to the university community. Yeah.